guys are doing that.
Stay back.
YouTube stuff where everybody.
Don't get in my personal space.
Oh, hey, don't take your personal space out of here.
All right. NastyNathanial out here in the city of Ontario, California. And joining me is Pugface Media. And together, we're going to be conducting a First Amendment audit of the Embassy Suites. Yeah! This is the Embassy Suites Airport Hotel. We're going to make sure that our friends at this high-class hotel here in the city of Ontario respect and honor our constitutionally protected right to record in public. So let's go over there and check in. So this is it, folks. This is Embassy Suites. This is a Hilton owned and operated hotel. Embassy Suites has always been my favorite hotel to stay at. I've stayed at a number of Embassy Suites. They seem to have the best service. The rooms are nice and big, and I don't know. I just think Embassy Suites has a really good operation. They are a Hilton hotel, and you know, Hilton has pretty good standards. Looks like the front desk area there, and beyond that looks like we got a little snack bar and so forth. You know, it's dark, but it's not super late, so you know, we might see some people checking in, coming in on those late flights. Right over there we got a shuttle van that takes people to the airport. So yeah, let's see what happens, folks. Looks like we got a pizza delivery guy coming out here. He's driving a Ford Fusion. I think that's a Fusion. Behind him is a luxurious Mercedes. Did we see that one over at the Ontario Hotel? I think we saw driving by. I think I'm getting the look. Alright, first customers of the night. And it looks like we got a car coming out here. Maybe they're gonna go get them a burger or something on this lonely Ontario night. He's got his hand out. Well, he looks pretty casual. He's not making a big deal out of it. Do we have some action here? Or? Oh, looks like we got a car. They trying to find out where the check-in is, or? Oh, we got this car here that keeps driving around the parking lot like they don't know what to do. Are they trying to decide, well, should we stay here, honey? Or, I don't know, should we go to the Motel 6? Or what? I mean, it's not like there's that many cars in the parking lot that they can't figure out, you know, a place to park. Or maybe they're just screwing with us. I don't know if that's a guest or an employee. He's got kind of a fancy scarf on. Or maybe that's MC Hammer. It's hammer time. Well, hopefully he won't come over here and lay his hammer down on us. Well, it looks like MC Hammer is sitting in that MC Hummer. Maybe he's cranking some tunes. Maybe when he turned on the ignition, you can hear the song Too Legit to Quit. Hey, hey, too legit to quit. Okay, I know I'm not a rapper, so shoot me. We got Mercedes is still circling the parking lot. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, we're just filming the hotel. How you doing? Huh? How you doing this evening? What was that? Oh no, well you can keep driving. You can turn it off, no, I'm not turning it off. Why'd you stop if you don't want to be recorded? Huh? I'm just recording. Huh? Well, not right now. I'm recording you. Who are you recording for? I can't disclose that. Weird. You recorded randomly. Huh? All right, well, you can call the police.
Are you working with the hotel? Are you working with the hotel?
There we go. Oh, he's angry. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Oh, we're in trouble now. Yeah, they're gonna tell on us. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's gonna go in there and he's gonna sick the dogs on us. All right, folks. Well, it's about to get saucy now. Well, it looks like MC Hammer's going back inside. Maybe he's getting in on the action too. Maybe he's yeah, let's see what this guy does. Oh, they're all getting in on it. Even Hammer. Well, you know, you can just get in your car and keep driving. I mean, I don't know what's the, like, are you in the witness protection program and that's why you're making such a big deal about it? Like, are you, you know, did you tell on Frank Lucas or something? Did you rattle Lucas out, or is that why you're? Oh yeah, they're yeah, they're not digging this at all. Well, it appears to me that the hotel staff is trying to explain to them that there's nothing that they can do. That's the vibe that I'm getting. The vibe oh, okay, they're gonna leave. I mean, hotel staff, maybe they're just gonna call the police and let the PD handle it. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Cam back. All right, this is brilliant. Okay. Did you just say the N-word?
What you recording me for, man?
You stay back. You touch me and you go to jail.
I don't give a fuck. What are you recording me for?
Hey, stay back.
What are you recording me for?
We're in public.
What you recording?
Huh?
What you recording me for?
Dude, touch me and you go to
I don't
jail.
give a shit about that. Why you recording?
Huh?
Why are you recording me?
Huh?
Why you recording me? Why you?
We're doing a story about the hotel.
What?
We're doing a story about the hotel.
I'm not the hotel. You ain't doing shit. I'm not the hotel. Why you recording me?
Huh?
Boy, you recording out here recording black people. You know how fucked up you can get, boy. Don't you be doing that, okay? Doing that shit. Put that shit down. White people. Don't you do that shit. Scary ass thing. Get the fuck on, nigga. Leave with that knock shit. That shit, nigga. I'll fuck your camera up. You no footage. Yeah, everybody record me. Record the hotel.
Well, that was interesting.
I'm not the hotel. Why you recording shit, boy? You recording black people. You know how fucked up you can get, boy. Doing that shit. White people. Don't you do that. What, bro?
Let's get a good shot of his license. Oh, yeah. Get a good shot of his license plate. Well, looks like it definitely was hammer time. Well, we're back up here at the front, and looks like our friends are gone. I don't know if they called the police. We're gonna hang out. Oh, there's a little, and we'll zoom in on them. Yeah, they're still checking us out. Yeah. Well, I mean, I think that one individual with the scarf, I think he works for the hotel. If he does, that's going to be quite interesting to see what upper management at Hilton will think of that. Think of one of their employees coming out onto public property and getting pushy and shovey with someone. All right, folks. Well, you saw what happened if you've been watching the whole video. Some guests and what I think might be a hotel employee got pretty aggressive with us. They were saying some words that they shouldn't have been saying that I'm not going to repeat in this video because I'm not like that. But anyways, what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. Looks like old Nasty Nathaniel might have to get in touch with the powers that be at Hilton and get some information. So anyways, thank you for watching. As always, be good to yourselves and those around you, for it's just a half a mile away. Happy trails.